In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund an invoice in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to enter, so your refund is recorded correctly in your accounts. Let's start from your main Xero dashboard. From here, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Purchases area. This is where Xero keeps all your bills and credit notes from suppliers. Look along the top menu and click on Purchases. This tells Xero that you're working with money you owe to others, rather than invoices you send to customers. Once you're in the Purchases section, the next step is to click on Bills. Bills are the supplier invoices that your business needs to pay, and this is also where you'll manage refunds related to those bills. Clicking on Bills will bring up a list of all your bills, grouped by their status. From here, you'll see different tabs such as Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and maybe Paid, depending on your setup. For a refund, we want to focus on bills that are currently awaiting payment. These are bills that have been approved but not fully paid. So, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This will filter the list so you only see bills that are still outstanding. Now, find the specific bill or credit note that you need to refund. You may want to use the search box or sort by supplier, date, or amount to locate it more quickly. Once you've opened the correct bill or credit note, you'll see the option to process a refund. Here's where you fill in the details and click on Add Refund. Enter the refund amount, making sure it matches what was actually returned or credited by your supplier. Then select the bank account the refund will be paid into and set the correct refund date, ideally matching the date it appears on your bank statement. You can also add a brief description or reference, such as the reason for the refund, to help with future reconciliation or audits. When you're confident everything is accurate, click on Add Refund to save it. Xero will record the transaction, adjust the bill or credit note balance, and reflect the refund in your reports. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Purchases, open bills, filter to awaiting payment, and then enter